This video describes our paper, Adapting Everyday Manipulation Skills to Varied Scenarios. In this diagram in the lower portion, we see the motion script for the task of scraping a tool on the edge of a container. In the top left, we see the point clouds of a container and a tool. The system interprets these point clouds by fitting geometric shapes to the principal parts. For example, it has fit a long green shape to the action part of the tool, and it has fit a red shape to the handle. Once these geometric shapes have been fit, the system can then identify key points, for example the heel point at the back of the action part of the tool and the edge point on the container. These key points are then used to parameterize the motion script. For example, the motion script here specifies that the heel point will be brought 20 centimeters above the edge point of the container. If we then give the system a different container and a different tool, it will again fit geometric shapes, finding a new heel point and a new edge point, and the motion will be automatically adapted appropriately to make use of these new key points. Here we see scraping for the PR2 robot. Note that there are three phases of motion. Firstly, coming to 20 centimeters above the bowl, reaching the appropriate orientation, then moving down to press on the edge, finally scraping off. Here is scooping with four phases of motion. Firstly, reaching a point above the bowl and reaching the appropriate orientation. Secondly, digging down into the bowl. Thirdly, rotating until the ellipse of the opening of the scoop of the tool becomes horizontal. Fourthly, raising the tool. Here we see the same tool and task in a simulated run. Next we will see how the system autonomously adapts to use a mug in the wrong initial orientation. The vision module fits a superparaboloid to the container of the mug and therefore knows the correct orientation. Once again, the scoop action involves rotating the ellipse of the mug, opening horizontal and lifting. Note that this scan mug had some holes due to the difficulty of scanning those areas. Finally, we briefly show the scraping and cutting tasks adapted to different tools.